What is grace? It's the unearned favor of God, a gift that changes everything. In Genesis 3:21, we see God clothing Adam and Eve, symbolizing His grace covering our shame. Noah found grace in the eyes of the Lord amidst a corrupt world, highlighted in Genesis 6:8. Moses in Exodus 33:13 sought God's grace to lead his people, holding the tablets of the covenant. In Psalm 23, verse 3, and 51, verse 1, David expresses a deep understanding of grace, restoring the heart from despair. John 1, verse 14, and 1, verse 16 illustrate how Jesus embodies grace and truth, bringing healing to the broken. Ephesians 2:8-9 reassures us that we are saved by grace, not by works, underscoring its divine origin. Paul reflects on grace in 1 Corinthians 15:10, sharing how it's through grace that we are who we are. Finally, in 1 Peter 5:10, the crown of grace is promised to those who endure and believe. Remember, grace is not just a concept, but a personal invitation to all. Grace is for you.